Hey everyone. Today we are at the LaserWash 360 Plus in Yass car wash, I believe. You've got Adam right here with me.
Hello, how are you guys?
It's the first ever video we've done together. First ever car wash video we've done together. So you will be able to view this on his channel as well. Make sure to subscribe to his channel as well as mine. We have our pre-soak.
Oh yeah, shit, this looks good. If you want, I can try and help you get a better view at the back.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yep. So that's Adam there, everyone.
Hi.
This machine is pretty good.
Just doing the second coat of pre-soak? Oh, this is
Yep.
good.
Very generous.
Mm-hmm.
So usually when I drive in, Adam, there's a tripod
yeah.
that I have.
Yep. And the pre-soak smells
Yeah.
lovely, honestly.
It often smells like bubble gum.
There's a oh my god. There's a third one. Wow.
Yeah, this mostly happens on the LaserWash that I've been on.
Ah, yeah.
Like a lot of them.
Well, this is something I didn't really know that machines could be programmed to. I thought it was just like one acid.
And I can see they actually have a rain curtain too.
Yeah.
I'm like, it's so interesting. I don't even, sadly there's no laser glow on top.
Yeah, but it does have something pretty similar.
Yeah, which is overglow.
I thought overglow was the like
The indoor LED lights.
Ah, okay.
The inside of the machine. Signage is right there.
And
here comes the high pressure wash. It always does the front twice, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think that way it actually makes sure that it blasts off the bugs.
Yeah.
Now coming down your side.
Yep. Yep.
Oh, that was like acrobatics.
Yeah. Hopefully you have
I think we've got like some sort of like
clear coat. Probably.
yeah, clear.
Polishing.
So there's probably like some sort of foam and polish, and then tri-foam.
Up, here we go.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, pretty good coverage.
The colour's strong, but the coverage is not.
That's actually a pretty good spot right there.
And we've got a rain bar rim.
Yep.
Ah, so wait, that's probably the first spot for it, and this one's probably the second one.
Maybe.
I noticed on the menu it said 2 spot for it.
Oh yeah.
Seems to be programmed for quite a slow pass on spot round.
Usually they're quite fast.
Yeah. It sounds like it's running through the high pressure pump as well.
Yeah. So yeah, that's about it really, I suppose. And I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.